Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Janice. So what's up guys? For today's vlog, I just want to share with you guys one of the Filipino dish. It's called chicken pastel. So basically, chicken pastel is cooked with vegetables and thick and creamy sauce. So if you like this video, just keep on watching and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Let's begin. Today's menu is chicken pastel, Filipino style. So we are using chicken thigh and drumstick, bay leaf, carrots, green chili and red chili, ginger, garlic, cheese. I prefer to use cheddar cheese, or you can use Gruyere as well. Onion, potato, ketchup, soy sauce, chicken sausage, salt, oil, buttermilk, and ground pepper. So now let's start the cutting of the vegetables. Put a pot and some oil. Add some salt, some pepper. Make sure you sear both sides. So when the chicken is golden brown color, turn it to the other side. Now you can mix. And set on the side. So in the same pot, you saute this nicely until it will turn to golden brown. Now you can add the peppercorn and some herbs, and then the leaf. So you can add the chicken. Potato, carrot, and the chili. You can add some salt, some soy sauce, a bit of water, you can add the sausage, and cover it. So let's wait like 2 minutes and then we can add the buttermilk. So let's open. And then we can add the buttermilk. Alright, just mix it nicely and simmer it until the chicken and the carrot and potato will be cooked. Let's check our chicken pastel. Wow, it's already cooked. So it looks like this. Now let's try to eat.